Looking for stunning flower gate ideas to transform your garden entrance? Sometimes, a beautiful floral gate is all it takes to leave a lasting first impression. In this video, we bring you the most inspiring flower gate designs that are sure to captivate your imagination and breathe life into your garden. Why are flower gates so magical? The gate, adorned with vibrant flowers, doesn't just add charm and elegance, it creates the feeling of stepping into a secret paradise. But how do you pick the perfect idea? Here's what you'll discover. Timeless floral archways that exude classic beauty. Modern and creative gate ideas for a fresh and unique look. Secrets to combining flowers, vines, and greenery to craft a living masterpiece. What's waiting at the end of the video? A surprising and unique flower gate idea that you won't want to miss. Trust us, this one is a game changer. Watch till the end to unlock the secrets of creating a breathtaking garden entrance. Let's begin your journey of inspiration now.